Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use filters and sorting to find data faster in Airtable for 2025. When your database grows, filters and sorting help you locate what you need instantly without scrolling through hundreds of records. Open Airtable and select the base you want to work with. Inside any view, look for the filter and sort options in the toolbar. Filters let you show only records that meet specific conditions, like tasks where the status is in progress or due date is before today. To apply a filter, click Filter, then pick a field, condition, and value. Airtable hides all other records automatically. You can also add multiple filters using AND or OR logic to combine rules and refine your view until only the data you need appears. Next, use the Sort button to organize your data. Sort by due date to see upcoming tasks first or by priority to focus on urgent ones. You can even sort by multiple fields, like by team member first, then by deadline for better organization. Combine filters and sorting to quickly analyze your data. Once you find the perfect setup, save it as a custom view so you can return to it later. And that's how you use filters and sorting in Airtable 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.